Hello guys, welcome back with me WDO. Now I'm gonna make a video how to remove your messenger account from any iPad or iPhone. So let's get started. Okay, so now as you can see, I have my Facebook and my messenger here now. But if I want to log out from my messenger, I can't find the logout menu. As you can see, I'm trying to show you. No, there is no logout menu. Yeah, no, I'm gonna tell you account setting, and I will try to find the logout menu. Yeah, maybe this one. So no, we tried going to the Facebook, yeah, to the Facebook browser, but no, not that one. So what you have to do is, yeah, you can't find the logout menu on Messenger. What you have to do to log out from your Messenger is go to the Facebook, yeah, Facebook app, and then after it opens, so you click the down below the menu, or maybe different from any other phone, maybe it's top or down below. So in my phone it's down below, so click on it, the menu, and then find up setting and privacy. Okay, click setting and privacy, and then after you click setting and privacy, you see here logout, that logout for your Facebook, not for your Messenger. So what you have to do is click again setting, after setting and privacy, and then click setting again, and then you will see several menu, yeah, personal, translation, and payment, something like that. What you have to click is this one, security and login. Okay, and then as you can see, yeah, Messenger for iOS, yeah, this one you have to log out. So click the three dot on the right side, and then click the logout. So now we're going to the Messenger and see if it's still logged out or if it's still login or already logged out. Okay, Messenger, yeah, we see, yeah, as you can see, it's already logged out. So you can change your Messenger with another account. Thanks for watching. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, or if you have any experience, yeah. And then if this video is helpful, don't forget to share it. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.